Starting live. Oh, here we go.
Hi, this is Kathy at Captivating Journeys. I'm the owner, and this is our very first episode of Travel
Tuesdays.
Travel Tuesdays with Captivating Journeys, and it's my colleague Tina Hewitt.
Hello.
And we have a very special guest. We're doing this early. It was supposed to be at 3, but because our good friend Adrienne Sherry with Pleasant Holidays and Journeys popped in, we thought we'd have her be our guest. So thanks for stopping by.
Of course.
And Adrienne, I think, deserves a prize for being, because we're in Maui. None of our business development managers, sales reps, they hardly come to visit us, but Adrienne comes out every single quarter.
Tough gig
How
to
many
come to
years
Maui.
now?
At least 10 now.
Seems like
Coming
longer.
here.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Anyways, so she deserves a prize.
Oh, no. My favorite
for
place to
coming
come. I
visit
love it.
us.
Good to see these fun
Anyways,
gals.
So Adrienne is a business development manager with Pleasant Holidays and Journeys,
Yep.
and they are one of our wholesalers that we use for packages to come to Hawaii, because we do have clients coming here, and also for clients traveling outbound. We use them for Tahiti, Europe,
Mexico.
Mexico.
Well, not so much Caribbean, but yeah, Caribbean.
Japan's a new one. So,
Japan is our newest destination.
So tell us a little bit about.
So Pleasant is celebrating 60 years in business this year, so we're super excited about that. Of course, we started selling Hawaii, so Hawaii is still obviously one of our biggest sellers. And that being said, if you want to come to Hawaii, Pleasant does have some exclusive offers at hotels on each island, offers that you will not find if you go to the hotel website. You have to come see these lovely ladies to book it for you. And offers where you'll get like a 40% discount on hotel as well as breakfast included. For example, at the Westin Moana Surf Rider in Oahu, you get the discounted room rate, discounts at the spa, as well as access to the Moana Beach Club, which is breakfast in the morning, complimentary beer and wine, and pupus in the evening. It's the closest to an all-inclusive experience that you'll get in Hawaii, and it's a fabulous hotel. So we've got, like I said, hotels on every island that these offers are truly exclusive to Pleasant Holidays and Journeys.
And you have Japan is one of your.
So Japan we launched 2 months ago, and we will continue to expand, but we've also just launched in Europe Scenic River Cruises, Scenic and Emerald. So that is our newest baby. We launched last week. So if you're interested in river cruising, we can help you. We actually have a huge portfolio of cruises now. We have cruises in various destinations like Tahiti and Fiji, Alaska, Caribbean, not Cook Islands, what am I forgetting? I don't know. Everywhere in the world. Everywhere. And various cruise lines like Windstar or Paul Gauguin or NCL. So it just depends where you want to go.
American Queen.
American Queen. So if you want to
yes.
soak up some American history and cruise up and down the Mississippi River on a paddle wheel boat, it's kind of fun to do, slower pace, and you just can learn a lot about the history of America. And you don't have to fly far to get there, just to maybe New Orleans or Memphis.
And your company's been around, you said?
60 years. So 1959
years.
we started in lovely Hawaii back when they flew DC-3s here, and it took, I think, close to 15 hours to get here from LA. So times have changed. right?
How do you do that?
So, but yeah, so we are going to continue to expand more into Asia, probably this coming year.
Asia's a hot destination.
Asia's a hot destination. We have beautiful hotels in Japan. And again, we can help you with your airfare over there, your hotels, and all your activities and sightseeing.
All right. Well, I think that's it for our first Travel Tuesday. If you have any questions or want to book any packages, give us a call at 244-1414. You can go to our website, captivatingjourneys.com, and we'll see you next Tuesday.
See ya. Bye.